Hello everyone! Are you ready for the ultimate Nasi Lemak adventure in Kuala Lumpur? Today, I'm taking you on a mouth-watering journey to discover the city's top 10 most viral Nasi Lemak spots. These are the places that locals swear by, tourists can't stop talking about, and global foodies are dying to try. From the legendary village park Nasi Lemak with its crispy fried chicken to the late-night cravings satisfied at Big Tree Head Mamak, we're diving into the heart of Kuala Lumpur's food scene. Get ready for aromatic rice cooked in coconut milk, spicy sambal that will tantalize your taste buds, and a symphony of flavors that will leave you wanting more. So, if you're a true foodie or simply looking for an authentic Malaysian culinary experience, buckle up. Let's dive in. First on our list is the iconic village park Nasi Lemak in Damansara Utama. Imagine biting into the crispiest fried chicken you've ever tasted. That's what Village Park is famous for, along with its rich and flavorful sambal that has people coming back for more. Open daily from 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m., you can enjoy this Nasi Lemak for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Expect to pay between RM10 to RM18, roughly USD 2.20 to USD 4. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned Nasi Lemak enthusiast, Village Park Nasi Lemak is a must-try. Next, we venture into the heart of Kuala Lumpur's bustling nightlife, Changkat Bukit Bintang, to a hidden gem called Nasi Lemak Alor Corner. For decades, Nasi Lemak Alor Corner has been serving up plates of steaming hot Nasi Lemak that embodies the true essence of Malay cuisine. Their sambal is a harmonious blend of savory and sweet, with just the right amount of kick to keep you coming back for more. And the fried chicken? Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Open from 8 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Tuesday to Sunday, Nasi Lemak Alor Corner is the perfect spot to satisfy your breakfast cravings. At just RM6 to RM18 or USD 1.30 to USD 4, you can indulge in a plate of pure culinary bliss. Our third stop takes us to Complex Makan Tanglin, home to another legendary spot, Nasi Lemak Tanglin. This place isn't just about the food, it's about the history, the legacy, and the love poured into every single plate. What sets this Nasi Lemak apart? It's the sambal. Perfectly balanced, it's a symphony of flavors that dance on your tongue. You can find Nasi Lemak Tanglin at Complex Makan Tanglin, open daily from 7 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. A plate of this goodness will only set you back RM8 to RM12, about USD 1.70 to USD 2.70. If you're looking for a taste of true Kuala Lumpur, Nasi Lemak Tanglin is a must-visit. Next is Akka Nasi Lemak, the social media sensation. Hold on to your hats, everyone, because our next stop takes us to Seri Kembangan, where Akka Nasi Lemak, an Indian-owned Halal certified stall, has taken the internet by storm. This isn't your average Nasi Lemak. It's a culinary masterpiece that has people queuing up for hours. Imagine fluffy rice, signature squid sambal, and tender chicken rendang. Be sure to arrive early as it sells out fast. But trust me, the wait is worth it. Nasi Lemak, Wanjo, Kampung Baru will give a taste of tradition. Our Nasi Lemak adventure takes us to Kampung Baru, the heart of Kuala Lumpur. Here, tradition thrives and the spirit of old Malaysia lingers. You'll find Nasi Lemak Wanjo Kampung Baru, a culinary haven. This halal-certified spot is more than just a place to eat. It's a community hub for authentic Malay cuisine. Open from 6 a.m. to 12 a.m., perfect for any craving. At just RM5 to RM15, it's an affordable taste of Malaysia. For an authentic Nasi Lemak experience, head to Nasi Lemak Wanjo Kampung Baru. Next in the list is Nasi Lemak CT Garden wrapped in history. Our journey through Kuala Lumpur's most viral Nasi Lemak spots takes us back to the charming Kampung Baru, where another culinary gem awaits, Nasi Lemak CT Garden. This traditional method of wrapping not only adds an aromatic dimension to the dish, but also serves as a reminder of simpler times. From crispy fried chicken to flavorful sambal sotong or squid, you're spoiled for choice. A plate of Nasi Lemak at Nasi Lemak CT Garden can cost as little as RM1, about USD 0.22, making it one of the most affordable culinary experiences in Kuala Lumpur. Open daily from 5 a.m. to 12 a.m., it's the perfect spot for an early breakfast or a late-night snack. So if you're looking for a Nasi Lemak experience that's as kind to your wallet as it is to your taste buds, head to Nasi Lemak CT Garden and discover a piece of Kuala Lumpur's culinary heritage. Next is Nasi Lemak Angah, where Sambal Peru reigns supreme. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds because our next stop takes us to Sentul, where a Nasi Lemak experience like no other awaits. Nasi Lemak Angah. Imagine biting into tender, flavorful beef lung, cooked to perfection in a rich, spicy sambal that will set your senses on fire. That's the magic of Nasi Lemak Angah's Sambal Paru. Open Thursday to Sunday from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m., Nasi Lemak Angah is the perfect spot for a weekend brunch or a satisfying lunch. And with prices ranging from RM6 to RM10, about USD 1.30 to USD 2.20, it's an affordable way to experience the best of Malaysian cuisine. So, if you're ready to embark on a culinary adventure and discover the magic of Sambal Paru, head to Nasi Lemak Angah in Sentul. Your taste buds will thank you. Our 9th stop, Big Tree Head Mamak, the king of crispy chicken. Our Nasi Lemak adventure continues to the vibrant Kampung Baru, where a late-night culinary haven awaits. Big Tree Head Mamak. Imagine biting into a piece of fried chicken so crispy it crackles with every bite, revealing juicy, flavorful meat seasoned to perfection. That's the magic of Big Tree Head Mamak's fried chicken. Open daily from 2:30 p.m. to 2 a.m., Big Tree Head Mamak is the perfect spot for a late lunch, a satisfying dinner, or a post-midnight snack. A plate of Nasi Lemak at Big Tree Head Mamak, complete with their famous fried chicken, will only set you back RM 8.50, about USD 1.90. So, if you're looking for a Nasi Lemak experience that's as affordable as it is delicious, head to Big Tree Head Mamak in Kampung Baru. You won't be disappointed. Finally, Nasi Lemak famous, living up to the hype. Our final stop on this epic Nasi Lemak adventure takes us to the trendy neighborhood of Bangsar, where a name synonymous with deliciousness awaits, Nasi Lemak famous. From the moment you take your first bite, you'll understand why this place has become a culinary landmark in Kuala Lumpur. The rice is cooked to fluffy perfection in coconut milk. The sambal is a harmonious blend of spicy, savory, and slightly sweet, and the side dishes are a testament to traditional Malay flavors. Open daily from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m., Nasi Lemak famous is the perfect spot for a hearty breakfast, a satisfying lunch, or a delicious dinner. And with prices ranging from RM7 to RM12, or USD 1.50 to USD 2.70, it's an affordable way to experience the best of Malaysian cuisine. So if you're looking for a Nasi Lemak experience that lives up to its name, head to Nasi Lemak famous in Bangsar. You won't be disappointed. So there you have it, Kuala Lumpur's top 10 viral Nasi Lemak spots. From the legendary status of Village Park to the social media frenzy of Akka Nasi Lemak, we've explored a diverse range of flavors and experiences that showcase the very best of Malaysian cuisine. Each of these spots offers something special. So whether you're a local or just visiting, these are the Nasi Lemak places you can't miss. We've journeyed from the bustling streets of Kampung Baru to the late-night havens of Kampung Baru, discovering hidden gems and iconic landmarks along the way. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which one you're most excited to try. Until next time, keep exploring, keep eating, and keep celebrating the delicious diversity of Malaysian food. See you in the next food adventure.